Hello everyone, welcome to day 77 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this cable stitch. So this is actually a very simple pattern. It starts with a multiple of 4. So here I have a foundation a foundation single crochet row. Okay, and let me just count the number of stitches I have. 2, 3, 4. 21, 22, 23 and 24. So in total I have 24 stitches, which is again a multiple of 4. Okay, now we're going to chain 1 and make 1 row of single crochet. Okay. So basically the next 2 rows it's going to be a row of single crochet stitches. I'll meet you back once I finish the 3 rows. So now I have 3 rows of single crochet stitches. Chain 1, turn your work and continue making 3 single crochet stitches. So once you are done with 3 single crochet stitches, we are going to do a triple crochet in the second row right here. So you have to count the stitches. So 1, 2, 3. We're going to pick up the 4th stitch, and the 4th stitch is going to be our front post triple crochet. I'm going to show that again. I think that got blurred out. Okay, so we have 3 stitches and count the 3 stitches at the second row, which is right here, and into the 4th one you're going to pick it up like this. Okay, like a front post, and we are going to make a triple crochet. Okay, then so this is the 4th stitch. We are going to skip that stitch, and into the 5th one we are again going to make 1 single crochet, 6th one 1 single crochet, 7th one 1 single crochet. And now here from this front post stitch you are going to skip 3. That is 1, 2, 3. Into the 4th one you are again going to make a 2, 3 front post triple crochet. Again, make sure you don't crochet at the stitch at the back right here. Okay, so this stitch you're not supposed to crochet, you're going to go into the next one. Okay, skip this and you're going to go into this one and make 1 single crochet. Again, from this front post stitch you're going to count 3, and into the 4th one you're going to make 1 more front post double crochet stitch. So just like this you can complete this row, and I'll meet you back once I'm done with this row. So here we have our first row of front post stitches. Now this row is going to be just a row of single crochet stitches. So we're just making 1 single crochet into each of the stitches that we made. So this is the back side. So you do the front post on one side and come back with a normal single crochet so that you again can start crocheting from the right side. Okay. Again chain 1, turn your work. Here we are going to start with 3 single crochets, and when it's time for the 4th one, you yarn over twice and you're going to make this single crochet 2 rows below. That is, this is the row where we did the front post and there is the row below that. Okay, so you kind of push the front post stitch there and you go behind that stitch and pick up the front post. Okay, I'm going to show that again. So yarn over twice. So this row is the row where we have done the front post. We are going to do the front post in the row below that. That is 2 rows below from the current row. Okay, and we have to find the stitch which is behind this front post double crochet stitch and make another front post triple crochet stitch and make another front post triple crochet. Okay, so when you come back for the next row, we are going to crochet in this stitch. Okay, now skip the stitch and then again make 3. When it's time for the 4th one, go behind the front post stitch that we did in the previous row and make another front post triple crochet. Okay, so this is the pattern, this is the repeat. You just make 1 row of single crochet and 1 row of the one with the triple crochet front post, and you crochet that front post 2 rows below. So that's about the cable stitch, and once you get the hang of where you have to insert the front post triple crochet, it is easy to follow. Okay, do try out this stitch and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.